Welcome back to class. Today we are going to be talking about matter. What is matter? I'm sure you have learned about it previously, so we're just going to go through it again. What is matter? All particles are made up of matter. Everything, humans, plants, living, non-living things, they're all made up of matter. So let's review a little definition I have of matter. So matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. So matter is anything that has weight and occupies space. So we can see that all particles that we come across every day, or everything, living and non-living things, are made up of tiny particles, matter. All right? So matter exists in different stages or different states. So now we're going to be talking about the states of matter. When we talk about states, we're talking about the different stages or the different things that matter can come in. So we have 3 states. So we have 3 states of matter. Matter exists in a solid form, either a liquid form, or also in a gas, right? So if you can look back, or you can think, everything that we come across every day is either a solid, is either a liquid, or is either a gas. So those are the 3 states that matter exists in. So we're going to be looking at each state separately. So we're going to start with solids. Think about something, when you hear about solid, think about something that is hard, compact, well put together. See anything around you? Yes, your desk is one. The rock is one. Those are solid materials. So when we look at the properties of these materials, you'll see why they are so sturdy and why they are so strong. So the properties of solids. Let's do a little diagram. So if we should look at a solid through a microscope, this is how the structure would look. Look at the particles. See how close they are together? So the particles are closely packed together. That is why you have that strong and sturdy look to it. Another one. So if we should move it or if we should shake it, there would be less, the particles would not fall apart because they're so strong, so close together. So another property, if we should put it on a scale, we could weigh it because it has a definite weight. Also has a definite shape. So these are some of the properties of solids. All right, so let's look at liquids now. So comparing the solid properties with the liquid ones, we can see that in liquids, they have space. The particles have space to move about. Okay? If we should look at, have a bowl of water and a bottle of water and we would pour the bowl of water into the bottle, what do you think is going to happen? Yes, it's going to take the shape of the container. So that is another property of liquid. It always takes the shape of whichever container it's poured into. Okay, so the particles have space to move around, takes the shape of the container, and it flows easily. And because it takes the shape of the container, it has no definite shape. Okay? So we have done the properties of solids, properties of liquids, now the properties of gases. So with gases now, the particles are widely spread apart. They're far from each other. Right? So it's not as close as the particles in solids nor liquids. These are far apart. And because the particles are so widely spread, It has no definite shape. Neither volume. So I'm sure we can look around our environment and we can classify objects as either solids, liquids, or gases based on the particles and how they are arranged. So next time we come, we'll look more deeply or further into these states of matter.